Lobie and I invite you to come back this June. It's a great chance to reminisce with old friends and to see the great progress that the college has made over the last several years.
In many ways, the campus looks quite different than during your days as a student. Monmouth College has always sought to create an ever stronger experience for its students. Your alma mater continues to flourish. If it has been a while since you've been back to campus, you will be surprised and pleased by the many new buildings, as well as the remodeled and repurposed legacy buildings that you remember fondly.
Monmouth College rightly celebrates its rich traditions, but it will never be satisfied to live in the past. We will keep our core mission vital and engaging for the generations of students yet to come. This spirit is captured in our motto of Think Anew, Act Anew. No matter how many years have passed since you've been back on campus, whenever you return, you will be proud to call Monmouth College your home.
Your reunion committee is crafting a schedule of events to help you relive fond memories, enjoy fun time together, and to see the many positive changes since your student days. We are all looking forward to seeing you in June.
Go Scots!